We just done all the pocket holes in each of the timbers. We're doing a standard box frame. The pocket hole jig makes it certainly a lot easier and a lot stronger to make a really nice frame. You can see we're doing some working out of the measurements and just cutting the timbers to each of the sides of the frames, and it will measure, cut and drill each of the timbers in, so it came up pretty well. Well, this is the next day, and as you can see by the fan going, it was a scorching hot day. So the shed had to have been probably in the 40s. We really felt it that day, but we made good progress and got all the top done that day as well. So yes, very warm. We initially made the top of the box one solid lid, and it wasn't until we actually put the hinges and screwed it all together that we realised that it was quite a heavy lid, and it would have just been a bit awkward if we just wanted to get one item out of the corner of the box. We would have had to lift the whole lid and cushion off to do it. So we ended up taking the lid back off, cutting it into 3 sections, and then putting the hinges back on. And yeah, it was a lot better idea. Quite happy that we decided to leave it as a 3-lidded compartment. In this section, we were putting cutting the pine lining ready to put in onto the box. We used actually a small braided 32mm, I think, or 30mm braided nail gun, and we actually put the nail through the actual tongue of the pine lining so that you couldn't actually see any nail holes or left any nails at all visible from the outside. It left a cleaner finish, but you probably couldn't have done it without a nail gun. So yeah, very handy to be able to have one of those.
We've just popped in our storage box that we've made, and we'll just show you some of the purposes that we're going to be able to do with it. We got this cushion from Aldi, and we've got a backing to go on the back of it as well. It has 3 lids here that we've made because the other, just having the whole lid was a bit heavy. It's got 3 compartments that we can fit things in. It also is going to serve as a stepping board into the bed. Pauline, do you want to add some more to that?
Yeah, the box has been made out of a 12mm marine ply, heavy duty. It's also the frame's made of 45 by 75 pine, which we use pocket hole screws to join it together. Gave it a really good strong frame, and covered with pine lining just to have a nice finish off here. And I don't think I've got too much. It's just a standard box as you've seen on our video. Yeah, we're pretty happy with
Yeah, we're happy with what we've done. Yeah. Not something that we've done before, I can tell you.
No, none of us have really built much.
Yeah, so we're just fumbling along and...
Yeah, give us a high five. Yay!